Hello everyone, my name is LaserWood18 and today we are back again playing Angry Birds Star Wars. Today we are gonna be playing these bonus levels, S1 and S2. So let's not waste any time and jump into it. Okay, I have no idea. Oh yeah, he splits into two. Not two, but multiple. Oh, like... It's gonna be... Was that too soon? Okay, R2D2 is... Oh, wait, no, this is not... No, this is C3PO. Oh, yes, C3PO. He's doing better than I thought he was gonna do. Come on. Oh, you serious? I thought it. Alright. Yeah. I would like skip that part of me failing out of the video, but like I feel like it will be interesting to show one or two clips of me failing. Oh my gosh. I picked all the way over there, always just... Well, please. Explode! Oh my gosh. Why can't I zoom out? Okay, there we go. Yes! Wait, no. I was about to say yes, R2D2, but then no. This is R2D2. It's gonna be a same one as Palpatine. Is it? Oh, there's a collectible there. I got... Oh my gosh. No idea. To use your own. So you just target the pigs. Oh my gosh, this skin's just hilarious. Just... Ah! Alright. Launch. And a shocking surprise by R2D2. Right, let's go. Nice. I feel like I'm gonna do all of them in one video. I'm not gonna like separate them. Boats and pig side. Oh wow, that pig got launched too. Oh, now that catapult launch. And now that pig is defeated. It's nice to be playing on these old levels. I haven't played them like in a while. Oh, okay. This one might be tricky. Wait, oh no. How am I gonna do that? Oh, come on, please fall. I don't need, yes. Oh my gosh. Wow. And S4. Now, oh shit, this is in... Oh, this is not in space. Alright. Oh no, not a shuriken. Or not a Beyblade, I guess. Oh, I knew it! Oh my gosh, I hate these ones. It's just like, you can never know what they will and will not hit. At least I got 4 just... Yeah. Oh, and then they enough. I don't know if that'll be useful or not. But yeah. We saw, wasn't expecting that. Oh gosh. This interesting. Nice it didn't get knocked back. To explode. Oh boom. Oh snap. Oh, get the collectible. Okay. Can't win them all. Or can't do them all. Oh, 69. Nice. And a 3-star too? Okay, now. Oh yeah. That was good. Ooh, please, please, please. Oh man. Now that one board left. No, you serious? Okay. Okay, now okay. Let's go with you. If you fail me, I will personally hate you. Oh my gosh. That was so close with the magnets. It was so annoying. That was good. Nice. And yes. Only one star. Now escape to Tatooine. We got C-3PO and R2-D2. The dynamic duo. Just kidding. That's good. Oh, nice. Wasn't expecting that. Let's shop R2. And now, let's just move on. Oh, okay. Move on. Whew. Well, that was average, whatever. Let's move on to S. What the heck is our chain thing there? Okay. Oh, come on. Get that pick. Oh, are you serious? Explode the TNT, please. Oh my gosh. Okay. Anakin, let's go. Boom. And the TNT still hasn't exploded. Oh, I can. Oh, now it explodes. Now it explodes. Perfect timing when there's no picks left. No, that's 4. will be interesting. That's good. Okay. Can I just make it go like that? Double kill. And it's time to go to the pork side. Is this the only one? The only pig in the pork side? Oh, that's good. Just this like droid thing. Because over time, it's just gonna get very annoying. Although it's doing the job, it's doing the job. Just like, maybe just like, I don't know, any other pig. Oh wow, okay, I take that back. I take everything I said back. I'm speed running this. Okay, oh no, those magnets. They're gonna be so annoying. Just got that one. Oh, you oh man. Oh. Don't feel magnets. Oh, one left. One left. Oh my gosh. And boom. Oh, okay. Man, I keep wanting to explode those TNTs, but it's just like so hard. Like I feel like in any other Angry Bird game, you could just like barely hit it and it would explode. Yes. And now, Battle of Naboo. Wait, what? Excuse me? Oh my gosh. B.O.B. I got it! I got it! Oh my gosh. I thought it would take me much longer, but no. Okay. Oh man, I just missed the perfect opportunity. Gotta wait a little bit more. Yeah, okay, no. No! Right then. Okay. And now just one more. Oh my gosh. I was like, oh my gosh, you had no idea my reaction. I was like, what? I thought I had everything ready for this video, but no. What the heck are those phones up now? Can I knock these trees down? Trees down? Yep, I can. Boom. Speed running this. Nice job. No way. Should I? Should I? Okay, I have 12 Obi-Wan Kenobi, so why not? Oh yeah, I could have just hit that tree. Yeah, that would have been good, but like the middle part would be difficult. And this TNT is so hard to reach. S for what does? Why is it S? Why is it like S? Is it like meant to mean something? Oh, I kind of like. Oh, I feel like I want to save that for later. Okay, never mind. Yes, TNT. Come on. Now we're something to hit, but good enough. Yes, R2-D2 with the incredible save. Oh, fast completion. As always, I was trying to hit that TNT, but the games had other plans. What the heck is this place anyway? Guys, is this a place where Obi-Wan Kenobi found the... what was it, like... clone army, was it? Yeah, a clone army. Or was this a place where Anakin and Padme hide? Because like there was a bounty. Was it like in the second one, or was it... yeah, it's the second one. Like... Attack of the Clones, I think. Is this a place? I can't remember. I gotta try that. Oh my gosh. Yes, finally a TNT finally did what I wanted. Could have done it with one, but yeah. Could be 3-star though. Right. Move on. S4. Oh yeah, these logs. Wait. I spy with my other eyes. Something interesting. Is that TNT meant to explode? I think it was. Yeah, the TNT's all back to not doing what I thought they would do. Okay. Looks like I gotta wait to talk. I gotta wait a second and then I can tell my opinions. Is it okay? Oh my gosh, it's raining. I hope you can still hear me, guys. There's like only a few more, so let's get going. Oh yeah, there was just 2 more. Hit the TNT. Oh, okay. That was good. That was good. Come on, hit the TNT. Oh, I can like, knock that over. Tembo! Nice, that was amazing. I forgot you could do that in this level. Let's go. Let's go, game. Wanna finish this? destroyed. That was 1 star. That was a lot of points. Okay. Oh my gosh, that was amazing. That was cool. That was epic. Amazing. Wait, what? How many? And oh. Right. Come on. Come on. Yes, let's go. Timbo. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. If that's not 3 star, I don't know what is. Come on. Yes, and those are 69 too. Oh my gosh, that was amazing. As soon as I saw that, I was like, okay, I know what to do. Oh, Obi-Wan Kenobi? Okay. Oh wait, this is the level where, like, in the movie, Obi-Wan Kenobi was like saw the droid army. Wait, no, not the droid army, the clone army. How am I meant to get down there? Oh, come on, let's go. Yo. That was amazing. That was amazing. Oh my gosh. Right then, final level. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can already see what the game wants me to do. And you know what? I'll follow what the game wants me to do. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Timbo! That was amazing. That was epic. Oh my gosh. Well, I guess that's it for this video. Or, guys, thank you. I want to thank you guys for watching. In the next video, we'll be doing Master Your Destiny. But until then, see you guys later. May the force be with you, and I'll see you later. Bye.